Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to improve cursive handwriting. Start by dedicating a few minutes each day to practice. Begin with fundamental strokes like ovals and loops before moving to individual letters. Pay close attention to the direction of your strokes and the connections between letters. Consistency is key, so make it a regular habit to see noticeable progress in your penmanship. Remember, even small improvements add up over time. Once you're comfortable with individual letters, focus on connecting them seamlessly. The goal is to create a continuous flow across words, minimizing pen lifts. Practice common letter groupings and entire words to build muscle memory. Pay attention to the slant of your letters. A consistent slant contributes significantly to legible cursive. Don't rush. Deliberate practice yields better results than quick, messy writing. Take your time and enjoy the process. Selecting the right tools can greatly enhance your cursive journey. A pen that feels good in your hand and glides smoothly across the paper makes a big difference. Experiment with different pen types, like gel pens or fountain pens, to find your preference. Proper posture is also crucial. Sit comfortably with your arm and wrist relaxed. This reduces strain and allows for more fluid, controlled movements as you write. Good tools and posture support your practice. To truly master cursive, sustained practice and self-assessment are vital. Regularly compare your current writing to earlier samples to track your progress. Don't be afraid to try new techniques or seek inspiration from different cursive styles. Remember, improvement is a continuous journey, not a destination. Keep practicing, stay patient, and celebrate your achievements along the way. Also, for an amazing upgrade to your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.